guys, it's Elizabeth. Welcome back to my channel. And if you've been here for any length of time, you know that I am obsessed with planners. I love a good planner. And if you are a planner girl, you are constantly looking for planner peace. Isn't that funny that you're looking for planner peace? Unless you've already found it. And I have found it with the Erin Condren Petite planners. And I was using the outer shell with it with the yellow paper house inserts and loved that system. But I came across something on Instagram called a push journal and decided to pick one up. So I'm going to share with you guys an official unboxing, and I'll have to come back in like a month or so and just let you know how I'm using it, if it's working for me, and whether I like it or not. Okay, so a little bit of a story with push journal and the shipping. So I placed my order on December 23, wanting to start my new year with it, with a 5 to 7 day shipping. And I know there was a couple holidays in there, but I figured I would have it pretty quick. So I placed the order on December 23. It said it shipped out on December 27. And I'm a person who follows my tracking numbers pretty well. I check them like every day because I love getting my packages, especially when it's a planner. It's like, oh, I can't wait for it to get here. And I followed it every day, and it went like all over the United States, from Utah down to New Orleans, to Colorado, and each place it was stuck there for like 2-3 days too. And I was just like, by like January 14, I was so aggravated because I thought, this has taken like 2.5 weeks, and normally like that's how long something takes to get here from China. So I thought, this is getting ridiculous. I reached out to customer service, I think on January 6 or 7, and they said, it'll be there soon. Keep in mind there's been holidays. I'm like, I understand, I'm just excited. But then on January like 14, I was like, okay, I don't know what to do. Can you please figure this out, like where it is or what's going on? Because it's gone back up to Colorado when I live in Florida. Like, I don't understand. So they said they would send me out another one, and if I got it, if I got both, the new one and the one that they just sent me, then they would, they said just keep it. So what is ironic enough is that the new one showed up the exact same day as the one they sent forever ago. So I have 2 sets. So basically I have 180 days of push journal planning because each set had 90 days. So thank you, push journal, for making it right. I really, really appreciate it. And I know you can't control the shipping, but I don't know what happened. It's like it got shoved somewhere and wasn't a priority in somebody's shipping bin or something. I don't think I've ever had that happen before. So let's jump in and I will share with you guys the planner. All right, guys, so when I opened it up, this is how it comes in this gorgeous packaging. I got their New B limited edition one, and I just thought this was really, really classy. The packaging is gorgeous, and this is the box once you pull it out. So like I said, I have 2 sets now. Thank you, Push Journal, for fixing it, but I got them both at the exact same time, which is crazy. So here is just a little explanation, and you can check out their sites and then their hashtags. And then there is an instruction booklet. So I'm going to dive into this today and really get an idea of how do I want to map out my goals and how are they going to help me do that with the push journal. And I'm just excited about it. So this set is a limited edition one, and it comes with 3. And I think this it's not hardbound, it's actually soft. But the reason why this enticed me is that it's just a month at a time. And so I'm not carrying around a huge heavy book. So this is one of the planners. So we're just gonna kind of look, excuse me. We're just gonna look in this one, and then I'll just show you the other covers of the other ones. So we've got a month at a glance tracker, a 30-day personal inventory, a week at a glance tracker, daily trackers, schedule, notes, health tracker, and 30-day review. So I love this. Shalene Johnson, I first knew of her was through Beachbody, and she's done Beachbody programs, but then she's also done a ton of social media training, and I've seen other people use her planner, and I just thought, how great. And here's one of the best parts, it's undated. So if you get out of using your planner, you can always jump back in, which is pretty great. Don't mind my air fryer, I'm making sweet potatoes. So I need a month at a glance. I usually plan my YouTube videos just by the month at a glance. And the way I do that is I write down the ideas or what I'm thinking of having, my vlog videos for the vlog channel on Mondays and Wednesdays. And then Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, I usually write them out here. and then check them off once they're uploaded and they're ready. And that's kind of just how I map out YouTube. But then there's a 30-day personal inventory. So let's take a look at this. So today's date, push due by, current push goal, and I'm sure all this is gonna make a whole lot more sense once we read this. But if you need help making goals and planning them, I think this could be really great. Things I need to do less often this month, I need to do more of, stop doing altogether. I need to test, learn, try. What I hope to feel when I accomplish. So it's getting you to think through it, which I really like. All right, so you get a week at a glance, and I definitely need this because of the kids' schedules and just our lives. We need to be able to plan everything out in the week. So like kids' performances and things that are going on every single day, which is pretty great. And then this is week 1, day 1. So this is your tracker, and let's see, is it just 2 pages or is it 4? Yeah, it looks like it's 4. Okay, so we have a daily tracker. So we're gonna do the date, what is the push goal, and when is it due by? 3 push related tasks for today. So 3 things that I'm gonna do, and then other tasks. So I always have a running list on my phone or on little pieces of paper. So this is great. And then you have your schedule. So you're actually time blocking your time out to see what's happening when so that you can make the most of it. So you're not just losing time scrolling Instagram or watching a show or whatever it is. I can just be more intentional with my time. And that's my word for 2020 is to be intentional. What did this say? Oh, it just says notes. I'm looking forward to checking out on YouTube too. How do people use this and see if someone else has one filled out already? Because that would be interesting. So then health tracker, which is important to me. So logging my food, rate my nutrition, my water, and then my exercise to just keep track and keep up with. So instead of having a separate tracker for this, I love that it's all part of it. My sleep, first meal and last meal. I love that. So you can kind of keep up with it. Okay, how is it going? And then we have day 2. So let's see if it changes up throughout the whole thing. I think that's it for the whole planner. That's the way it looks throughout the whole thing. So I think we've gotten the idea of what it looks like. And then let me show you the other covers. So there's this one, and they have other covers available too. These ones were just part of a kit, and there was 3. Looks like this all comes off. So there's this one, Queen Bee collection, and then this one you can put your own quote right there. You can put it on. So I like it. I'm looking forward to it. They had lots of other choices of covers, and it's gonna be fun to play with and see how this works for me, and to see if it's gonna be something that's gonna be functional for our lifestyle and for my needs of fitness, health, beach body business, of being an online health and fitness coach, as well as being a YouTuber and a mom and a kids pastor. So those are all the roles that have to fit into one planner. And I think that this will be great. So I'll keep you guys posted and let you know. All right, guys, if you like these videos, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed to see more videos like this one, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.